Hello everyone, welcome to Stack Art Club. Chào mừng các bạn đến với câu lạc bộ nghệ thuật của Stack. Today we will learn how to make fruit with clay. Are you ready? Okay, first we will learn some color. Red, red. Black, black. Orange, orange. Green, green. Yellow, yellow. Number 1, we will learn how to make an orange. Okay, let's start. Can you see orange? We will roll and make it a ball. A leaf, leaf. We stick the leaf. Now we make a hole. And stick the leaf into the hole like this. Okay, we have an orange. Number 2, we will make a piece of watermelon. Now we need red clay. We will roll and then we shape it. Then we bend. Next, we will make peel. Green, green. Now we shape it. Okay, now we stick melon and peel. Okay, and next we will make some seeds. Black, black. Okay, now stick the seed into the watermelon. Wow, we have a watermelon. Yummy. Number 3, we will make a banana. We take yellow clay. Yellow. We roll and make it a sausage. Okay, bend it. Shave. Okay, banana. Now we review some fruit we make today. Orange. Leaf. Watermelon. Seed. Banana. Thank you. Goodbye and see you.